It's the 27th of the month. You check your bank account, and there's almost nothing left. Again, you made money this month. You always do. But somehow it just disappears before the next check arrives. You're not buying luxury cars. You're not going on exotic vacations. You're just living. So why does it feel like no matter how much you earn, you always end up back at zero? Most people blame themselves. Willpower, cutting out coffee, or canceling subscriptions. The paycheck to paycheck trap isn't a spending problem. It's a systems problem. And until you understand the real reason it keeps happening, no budgeting app in the world will fix it. My name is Jack. If this sounds familiar, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Most people living paycheck to paycheck are not broke because they spend too much. They're stuck because their money has no direction. It arrives, it sits, it gets spent. Think of your paycheck like water being poured into a bucket with holes at the bottom. It fills up. But before you can use it intentionally, it leaks out. And here's the key insight. You can't out-earn a leaky bucket. People double their income and still feel broke because the holes don't disappear when you earn more. They just get bigger. That's lifestyle inflation doing its job silently. So what's actually happening here? Let's look at the real mechanics behind the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Reason 1. Your money has no assignment. Every dollar have a specific job? Most people's answer is no. Money just sits in one account and gets used as needed. That's the trap. Because unassigned money gets spent every time. Not because you're irresponsible, but because that's literally how human psychology works. When money feels available, your brain treats it as available, even if it was supposed to cover next week's rent. Reason 2. You're saving what's left instead of saving first. This is one of the most common financial mistakes ever. The typical approach looks like this. Earn money, pay bills, spend on life, save whatever's left at the end. But here's the problem. There's almost never anything left. Life expands to fill whatever money is available, always. The fix is simple but counterintuitive. Pay yourself first. Move savings automatically the moment your paycheck hits. Before anything else. Even $50, even $100. Reason 3. You have no buffer. Here's what happens without a buffer. An unexpected expense hits. Car repair, medical bill, a friend's wedding you forgot about. You have no cushion, so you pull from next month's money. Now you're already behind before the month even starts. And that deficit follows you month after month, like a shadow. This is why so many people feel like they're always catching up, because structurally they are. The system is broken. The solution isn't a bigger paycheck. It's building a 1-month buffer. Once that buffer exists, unexpected expenses stop derailing you. Start with one thing. Automate $100 this week. Give your money a job before life has a chance to spend it. Because the paycheck to paycheck cycle doesn't break with willpower. It breaks with structure. Let me give you a quick real-world example. 2 people earn exactly $4,000 per month. Same income. Completely different outcomes. Person A lets money sit in one account, pays bills as they come, spends freely on the rest. Person B automates $300 into savings on payday, keeps $200 in a separate account for unexpected expenses, spends the rest. Same income. But after 12 months, person A has almost nothing saved. Person B has over $3,600 tucked away. But because their system made saving automatic and spending intentional, that's the entire difference. So let's recap the real reasons you can't stop living paycheck to paycheck and exactly how to break the cycle. First, your money has no assignment. Fix it by giving every dollar a job the moment your paycheck arrives. Second, you're saving what's left. Flip the order, automate savings first. Third, you have no buffer. Build 1 month of expenses as a cushion. It breaks the cycle structurally, not emotionally. Because here's the truth most people eventually learn. The paycheck to paycheck trap isn't about what you earn. It's about how money flows. Fix the flow, and everything else becomes possible. Saving, investing, freedom, it all starts with the system behind your money. If this video helped you understand why this keeps happening, make sure to hit subscribe. I read every comment, and I'm curious, what's the biggest reason you feel stuck paycheck to paycheck right now? Let me know in the comments, because the moment you fix the system behind your money, that's when everything finally starts to change.